Does the perfect financial situation seem just out of reach for you? Are you struggling to pay the bills each month? Do you feel that somehow you and money just weren't meant to be a happy couple? This is your tap along session. Welcome back to Selfcare Karen. This video is part of my EFT, that's Emotional Freedom Technique series. And this particular tap along is going to focus on abundance. If you want to know a little bit more about the alternative therapy that is EFT, then take a look at my introduction video. I'll put a link up here. Just to say, this video has got timestamps, so if you want to skip ahead to the actual tapping sequence, then you can do so using the video description. So I believe that EFT is a really effective way of working through the limiting beliefs that you have about other people, other things, and yourself. And whether you want to watch your new business prosper or an old business that you have prosper, or you want to start earning money through a job, however it is, or you just need to keep your head above water and manage your debts, money worries are the biggest problems that we often face. But what we don't realise is that the real problem isn't out there somewhere, it's inside us. It's your limiting beliefs that you have around money, prosperity, abundance that stop you creating what you want in your life, what you need in your life. The secret to creating wealth is not to gain anything, but to lose things. It sounds a bit counterintuitive. We need to lose the negative thoughts and behaviour patterns that hold us back. So when we release ourselves from self-sabotaging, those bad habits that self-sabotage our success, then really you're free to do whatever needs to be done to be prosperous in your life. Okay, so don't worry if you know nothing about EFT. It's not necessary to follow along with me. I'm going to do a tapping sequence now, which is all about getting into the power of abundance. And all you need to do is do what I do, say what I say. Okay, so let's get into this all positive tap. Okay, so try and find somewhere quiet, somewhere you're not going to be disturbed. Just take a moment or two just to be. How do you feel? If you've got glasses on, I suggest that you remove them. And try and breathe deeply throughout this session in a calming way. We're going to start with the karate chop, okay? And just repeat after me. I am ready to live a life of abundance, and I love and accept myself. I embrace that life is full of potential to create wealth and abundance, and I love and honour myself. I invite all forms of abundance into my life, and I love and respect myself. Right, we're going to switch to the eyebrow now. I use 2 fingers. I choose to be grateful for everything I have in my life. Gratitude is just opens the door to abundance. Side of eye. I am ready to have an abundant mindset. Under eye. I am ready to invite abundance and prosperity into my life. Under nose. I am ready to allow good things to come into my life. Chin. I feel I am in the right mindset to attract abundance into my life. Okay, collarbone. I deserve abundance to be part of my life. Underarm. I am ready to be prosperous and manifest abundance in my life. top of head. I allow my life to be abundant. Two fingers. Eyebrow. Money comes to me in easy and unexpected ways. Breathe deeply. Side of eye. I am open to receiving abundance from wherever it may come. Under eye. I see opportunity wherever I look. Under nose. I am ready to let go of any negative beliefs I have about wealth and prosperity. Just let them go. Let them go. Chin. I am choosing to attract wealth into my life. Collarbone. I invite all forms of abundance into my life. Okay, underarm. I know that there is more than enough for everyone, and that includes me. Okay, top of head. I trust that I am fully supported by the universe. Eyebrow. I am deeply grateful for all the blessings I have in my life. Side of eye. I am ready for more riches to manifest. Okay, under eye. I trust in my ability to let go of any limiting beliefs I have about abundance. Under nose. I am ready to adapt to a positive thought pattern. I let go of any limitations I have placed on being able to live an abundant life. Collarbone. I am ready to find the silver lining. Underarm. I choose to accept that money comes easily to me. I choose to believe that every day I am attracting wealth and abundance in everything I am and everything I am becoming. Take a deep breath in. Slowly release that breath. I know you will openly share the abundance that you receive and appreciate that you are more than enough. I suggest that you repeat this tap along session frequently to really open the doors to abundance in your life. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back again next week with another EFT sequence, and don't forget that on Fridays I upload a beauty product related video. Remember, you are in perfect time. See you soon.